Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're looking at a now legacy product from EOTECH. This is the G30 three times magnifier optic. And specifically, this is the FM model, which I believe means fixed mount. And then what has been added onto this one is the STS mount kit, the switch to side flip mount kit. And what we have here actually is the original fixed mount here at the bottom. So we'll get to that in a minute. I've gone ahead and taken the outer sleeve off the box because it is a tight fit. But here we can see on the top of the box the information. Compact design with 3 times magnification, tool-free adjustable azimuth dials, adjustable diopter, precise focusing, 3 times magnification, quick release mount, fast target acquisition, and then website. Continuing here, a leader in imaging systems, the future of optics, thermal, and night vision technology. Here you can see more corporate information between EOTECH and L3 Harris. Now, this product here is listed as made in you-know-where. Subsequent products, the magnifiers from EOTECH, I checked the website. They are assembled in the USA, but they do not specify where the components are actually manufactured. But the final product is assembled in the USA currently. But this one in particular was made you-know-where. Continuing on the back, if we look on this side, you can see here operation statements, magnification statements, and mechanical statements. I'll let you read that for a second there. A couple diagrams and a little bit of safety warning there. And just to continue the other side here, what we have on this side of the sleeve. So kind of similar information with the diagrams and the feature sets and contact info. If we look at the box itself, just basically a cardboard box, metallic logo embossed on the top, a little warning there on export restrictions, and the label, again, model G30.FM, barcodes. And if we open it up, besides the optic and mount itself, this came with a EOTECH sticker, cleaning cloth, basic blue soft cloth, and it came in the bag and the normal type of packaging there. Set this aside for a moment. And also there again that kind of mission statement. They also included a user manual for the G30. See the introduction statement. I'm trying to open this here. The EAR warning, specifications, basic operation on how to position the reticle, adjustable diopter, centering the reticle, installation, and mount upgrade, which again we did it with the shift to side mount kit, and maintenance, warranty, and factory contacts, disclaimers and notices. So what was interesting is this also included the user manual for the I guess the next evolution, which was the G33. So just to give you a sneak peek on the features of that one. Very similar, but there have been some feature changes, the look, and again, assembled in the USA. Take a look at the fixed mount. You can see here the type of lever mechanism, the button being in the middle. You would depress this to release, actually you would slide it over, sorry, and then lift up, and this will loosen the restrictive plate there. You can adjust this per instructions by depressing this assembly, and this knob will then be allowed to rotate, thus changing the amount of constriction on the plate there. You can see the fixed mount. This one has a little bit of a riser plate added to it. That is also included, I believe, with the STS kit. Now here, the STS kit, notice that the lever is in a different location. And what I have found is that this actually helps in single hand mounting. So if you're holding your item you're mounting this to in this hand, you can grasp the unit like this, press the button, and then flip up the lever, and then mount this, and then flip the lever down, all with one hand. That is not as easy with this lever set here. As you can see, you would need quite a bit of leverage to slide this over and then lift this up. So a little bit of ergonomic difference there. This, again, just flips to the side. There is no need to press a button. There is a very high tension spring set underneath the hinge point. You can see kind of the shade of the glass there. EOTECH logo, cage code, again, made you know where, patent information, and a little bit of a look at this mounting mechanism for the rails there. Here's your controllable diopter focus and elevation knob, windage knob. These do spin freely. They are not locked in, so that is something I think might have been changed on the G33 as well. So let's pause for a moment and show how these are actually mounted. So here I just have a sample upper and EOTECH slightly modified with a GG and G cover with lens covers on it. And if I go ahead and lock this down, you can see there's enough room for it to sit behind this XPS 3 model and have pretty close dimensions on your rail space there in between, say, a backup iron sight and again your EOTECH unit itself. Go ahead and show how to mount the G30 itself. I've actually just locked it in there. You can see how nicely it fits in between the EOTECH unit and the backup iron sights, plenty of clearance. And you can also see the way the lever is designed. It clears the width of the backup iron sight with room to spare as well. So give you a little bit of surface grabbing area underneath the lever. I'm going to try to turn on the unit and let's see if we can actually see what the reticle looks like. So I may have to re-angle this slightly. You're going to see the desk surface here, and you can see very clearly the magnified reticle and dot. Now the camera, you can see, is not focusing correctly, so there is a little bit of extra magnification, but you can see at some point the true size of the dot is a lot smaller than it appears currently. I'm trying to get it to kind of give it a bias there, and then you can sort of see the actual size of the dot is still pinpoint sized. But taking a quick look at the G30, and just to show how it looks, let's switch to the side. Plenty of room to look through the EOTECH window space itself. And one side thing that I've noticed is if you need to just do a quick magnified acquisition, there's no need to actually flip the unit. You can just turn your item to the side and quickly look through here for a quick 3-power look as well. Or this can be used as a handheld monocular for quick 3-power viewing as well. So there's numerous usages besides just having this on the unit itself. But taking a quick look at an example of a EOTECH G30, a legacy magnifier, now replaced with the G33 and other models as well from EOTECH. So feel free to check out current product offerings as well, because I know they do offer a micro version of the 3-power as well as a 5-power version. And I'm sure EOTECH is probably in the works of coming up with something beyond those as well. So this has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.